The system includes 4 1080p high-definition dome cameras that deliver impressively clear video footage, maintaining visibility with night vision capabilities extending up to 65 feet. This 8-channel digital video recorder provides excellent flexibility, allowing you to add an additional 4 cameras to the initial set for expanded coverage. With the complimentary ZOSI Smart application, you can conveniently monitor live video feeds and review recorded footage from virtually anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. Intelligent motion detection can be customized to specific zones, which helps reduce false alarms while ensuring you receive timely push notifications for relevant events. The included cameras are built with durable, weatherproof housing, making them suitable for reliable operation in both indoor and outdoor environments. The DVR supports a user-installed SATA hard drive up to 2 terabytes and can be configured to automatically overwrite the oldest footage, ensuring continuous recording.